So guys, I want to upload this video right now and show you how to add end screen on your videos. Okay, so and this upload, I'm making this upload using the YouTube app. Let me add my title. You can decide to add your title here, or you leave it and add it on the YouTube Studio app. So I'll be putting this video on unlisted. If you don't know why it's good to put your video on unlisted first instead of public, leave a comment on the comment section and let me know. I will put this recording off and come back after it must have uploaded. This is the video right now that I just uploaded. It's not yet public, as you can see, it's still on unlisted. Okay, so you tap on this pencil icon like you want to edit it. Now guys, I want to show you guys how to add your end screen. After you must have uploaded your videos, you come to your YouTube Studio app or YouTube desktop version, which I am in right now. As you can see, I already have my description, I already have my title, I already have my thumbnails. I can create a playlist here if I want to. Let me create a new playlist. This is how to create a playlist. New playlist. Title it after monetization. After YouTube monetization. So let me just go straight and show you guys how to add end screen. You can see here where it says end screen, right? Tap on this pencil icon. And now what end screen does is that after you must have finished uploading your videos, when your video stops playing, before it stops playing entirely, it will show like 2 or 3 of your other contents. It will recommend those videos to your viewers. From there they can click it to even watch more videos on your channel without even leaving. So you just come and click on this plus icon here, elements. These are the things you can add as your end screen. Things that you want your viewers to watch again after watching a particular video. It can be video, it can be a playlist, it can be to subscribe, it can be another channel, you know. In the case of this, I will be using a video. So you can either let YouTube select your most recent video automatically, or you can allow video to choose the video that it's best for viewer, or you can choose a specific video by yourself. So for me, I'll be choosing a specific video, which is the third option. Out of my videos on this channel, this one is what I'll be choosing. This one here. This. You can still add more. Maybe the next one I want to do now, but you have to save it first. Then you go back again and you still do another one. The next one I'll be doing now is playlist, which is the second option. So the playlist I'll be adding is this one, YouTube Beginner's Guide. Or let me use this first one. So if I want, I can bring it here. If I want, I can bring it and leave it there. So you know what, I'll leave it there where it was. So I'll just save. Good. So at this point now, I think I'm almost done with everything. The same way you add end screen is usually the same way you add cards. Only the difference is that end screen, at the end of every video, it displays the thumbnail, while cards just displays the title, more like a link on top of the video while you are still watching it. So click on cards if you want to know how it's been done. Let's use a video for instance, and let me use this particular video. Okay, see the way it will always display on your video. Can you see that? That's exactly what I was saying. I'll just save it. So the cards and end screen are usually for recommendation of your other contents. And I'll just go and unlisted here and put my video to public so it can start showing to my audience. My video has gone public already.